Okay, if you like drag racing, no prep racing, small tire racing, fabricating things, and just building stuff yourself, then this channel is probably going to be for you. I usually post videos of my car on my buddy Chris's YouTube channel, Horsepower vs. Your Wallet. But I got a ton of things that I want to change around on the car this winter, specifically for no prep racing. So I thought no better time like the present to start up my own channel. So I'm going to start cranking out some videos about the changes that I'm making. If you guys can do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know what you guys want to see, don't want to see, what you like or don't like. So I'm excited to rip into this thing, start making changes to make it faster for next year, and I'm going to start working on this thing right away. I'm going to hopefully have the first video out in a few days. Appreciate everyone watching. Have a good one.